Today we are continuing our February series on how to accelerate your weight loss by body type. Last week we discussed the Ectomorph Body Type, and if you haven't seen it, check the link out in the description box. This week we are getting into another body type. Grab a pen and a piece of paper and let's get started. So we're getting into the ectomorph body type, and your ectomorph body type typically is a skinny person, and your ectomorph body type has a light build with small joints and lean muscles. They also normally have thin limbs with stringy muscles, and their shoulders tend to be thin with a little bit of width. Now, since your ectomorph body type falls into that genetic category of having a slim body, they're lean and long, and they normally have trouble building muscle. Ectomorphs break down carbs into energy very fast. Their fast metabolism means they burn fat off very quickly. Since ectomorphs have trouble building muscle, keeping in mind muscles burn calories, ectomorphs should, number one, stop prioritizing cardio and start lifting weights. The ideal diet for those with the ectomorph body type is one that's going to be higher in your good carbs and protein and lower in fat. Now, these were just a few tips and strategies to assist you with accelerating weight loss if you fall into that ectomorph body type category. If you like this video, give it a like or drop a comment. If you think anyone else could benefit, feel free to share it. Now stay tuned, subscribe and hit the bell, because next week we're going to get into tips to accelerate weight loss for a different body type. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned. Bye. Dream chasers are individuals with the courage to follow their heart and the belief to succeed in the path that they take. Dream Chasers is designed to give you the skills and tools you need to help you improve your health and wellness. On a much deeper level, Dream Chasers is part of a larger health and wellness movement. Part of that movement is supporting individuals in establishing a thriving lifestyle, mind, body, and soul.